Hello everyone. Today I'm filming the ignition timing adjustment for the B02 engine. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the engine's working principle. We know the engine operates through four continuous strokes: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. So we only need to know when to ignite. The other valves are already set. Look at the piston compressing, then at the power stroke. When the piston reaches the topmost point, that's when we need to fire the spark. It'll rotate the flywheel for you to see twice. Isn't that simple? Yes. If the spark plug doesn't fire, it's often because this contact switch has shifted. It may have been bumped by a finger, body, or other objects. We just need to adjust it back. There are roughly two areas to adjust. Let me show you how. First, adjust the contact gap. Here, you can use tweezers to move the spring plate up or down. Note, make only fine adjustments. Don't use too much force. After adjusting, check the ignition status again. If it's normal, the problem is solved. If the ignition works but the timing is off, proceed to the second step. Adjust the pushrod slider. Use a 1.5 millimeter screwdriver to loosen the screw. Moving it to the left advances the spark plug ignition. Moving it to the right retards the ignition. Again, make fine adjustments. Adjust as needed. Let's check again. All right, now the engine ignites normally. It's ready to start.